Yes lads, so don't think I've gone over this one. We got the ITC mode here, straight fucking sport turbo mode. You know how we do? We just engaged the sport mode. Can you see it, people? Sport mode, trust me, it's a fucking liquor. Look at the fucking dash mush. It goes up in tens. Are you dizzy? No, you're not dizzy, you're reading the fucking dash. Oh, Jews, you see them Jews, them mush? Ah, fuck off. Look at the dash mush, it's a fucking monster. It's a monster without the sport button, I don't know why they put it on it. I absolutely don't know why they have put this on this absolutely silly